In this video, I'll guide you through how to renew an expired domain in GoDaddy so you know exactly what to expect, how much it might cost, and what the time limits are. By the end, you'll understand what happens to your domain after it expires and how to get it back as smoothly as possible. Let's start with getting to the right place in your GoDaddy account. First, sign in and go to your domain portfolio. This is the main area where all the domains you own are listed. If you have several domains, it can be a bit overwhelming to see everything at once, so we'll narrow it down to just the ones that have expired. At the top of your domain list, look for the option labeled Expiration. Click on that, and from the drop-down or filter options, select Expired. This tells GoDaddy to only show you domains that are no longer active because their registration has run out. Once you've done that, you should see a filtered list containing only your expired domains. Next, find the specific domain you want to renew in that expired list. Click to select it. Once it's highlighted or checked, look for the Renew Now button. Click Renew Now, and GoDaddy will take you into the checkout process where you can choose how many years you want to extend your domain and confirm your payment details. After you complete the payment, the domain will be renewed. Now, it's important to understand how timing affects both availability and price. GoDaddy follows three main phases after your domain expires. From day 1 to day 18 after expiration, you're in what's called the grace period. During this time, you can renew your domain at the normal renewal price, which is usually around 1,300 pesos for a typical .com domain, though it can vary. There are no extra penalty fees during this period, which is good news. However, even though you can still renew, your website and email tied to that domain will be offline until the renewal is processed, so visitors might see an error page and emails will bounce. From day 19 to day 42, after expiration, your domain moves into the redemption period. You can still recover it, but there's an extra cost. In this phase, you'll need to pay the usual renewal fee plus a redemption fee, which is roughly $80 or about 4,500 pesos. This higher cost is basically a penalty for renewing late, and it's applied on top of the standard renewal price. After day 42, things get much more risky. At this point, the domain is usually put into auction or eventually released back to the public for registration. That means you may lose ownership entirely, and someone else could buy it. Once that happens, GoDaddy can't simply restore it to your account. So the key takeaway is log in, filter your domains to show expired ones, select the domain you need, and click Renew Now as soon as possible, ideally within the first 18 days, to avoid extra fees and the risk of losing your domain.